Oh, sorry, girls. Wrong container. That's the food for the fishes.
Time for everyone to have a quick snack.
Oh, yummy. Dada, are we going to catch 100 fish today?
Well, I don't think we'll catch 100, maybe 2 or 3, hopefully. But we need to be patient, as it'll take time.
What happens if we catch a shark?
Don't worry, Emily. There's no sharks, but we do get other kinds of visitors from time to time. See?
Oh, can we feed the ducks?
Of course. Let me go to my van and get you some bread.
It looks like something is pulling at the fishing line.
Dada, the scavenger moved.
Oh, my goodness. Henry's caught something.
Hold on tight, Dada Go. It looks like a big one. Don't let it pull you in. Oh, dear. Too late.
Oh, no, what's happened?
The scavenger got pulled in.
Maybe it was sharks.
Oh, no. There goes another one.
Oh no, Dada! Your fishing rods! Something is pulling at our fishing rods.
All right, everyone, hang on to me.
The Doggy Go. We need you to help too. Oh no! It looks like the fishing lines have got tangled up in something.
It's a big tire.
Well, that's about the strangest thing I've ever caught. Oh, how's your fishing rod, Dada Go?
It snapped in 2.
Dada, I think I have an idea.
What's that, Maya?
One new tree swing coming up, Maya.
Excellent idea, Maya. As I always say, never refuse to reuse.
Here come Mama and Sammy Go to find out how everyone got on.
So did you catch anything?
Not exactly.
Not the right weather for it, I think.
I see. So, is anyone interested in having those fish fingers after all?
Yes, please.
Please?